All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to walk through this word problem. So we're going to do the RDW, which is read, draw, and write. A jet airplane holds about 65,000 gallons of gas. It uses about 7,460 gallons when flying between New York City and Los Angeles. Round each number to the greatest place value. Then find about how many trips the plane can take between cities before running out of fuel. So I'm going to go down here and click and hit enter. And I'm going to just take my information. So I know that the jet airplane holds about, let's take off the top, type 65,000. Well, if I round that like it asked me to, rounded it would to the largest place value would be to the 10,000th place. It would be 70,000 because even if it's the 500, if it's equal to, then it rounds up one more 10,000. So it's 70,000. Now, it uses 7,460 gallons when flying. One trip. So if that is rounded to the largest, it's going to be to 7,000. So I'm going to say that rounded, it would be 7,000. I don't like how this is going. So the reason I say that I don't like how this is going is because I just rounded down for that. So I'm losing 460 gallons each time in the trip. I don't want to be in the middle of nowhere and it crash. So I'm the type of person that would always round up, but for the sake of this problem, I'm not going to. So if I do 7,000, well, when I look at my numbers, I see 70,000 and 7,000. I know that 70,000 is 10 times the amount of 7,000. 70,000 is 10 times the amount of 7,000. So I could make 10 trips on the amount of gas. Now, I want to go back to what I was saying about how this rounded down, so I would lose 460, but this rounded up, so I'm actually gaining 5,000 right there. I'm gaining 5,000. So this is actually going to be very close to accurate on what the amount is. So when you're thinking about that in the real world setting, that's something that you might want to add, especially if it's going to be a largely graded portion of the test, that you know you're losing 460 gallons on each trip. However, you rounded it up 5,000. So you would take 2 of the 460s to get to 1,000. So it would still be very accurate on 10 trips. So this is the way that we would solve this problem. I hope this helped you all.